Hey, Gwit, welcome to Esther's Avatar. Ha, pew pew! Oh, hello everyone. How are you? Welcome back to Esther's Avatar. So, today's video is going to be about squishies. Like, they're trending everywhere. Like, YouTube, everywhere, shops. Especially Nido's, which is a brand, where they make these really cute classic squishies that are very special, well, to some people maybe. And they're these sugar squishies with this like gel inside, and when you squeeze it, people just like it a lot. And also the butter squishy. It's a squishy that looks like butter, and it's either soft, still rising, filled with shaving cream that makes this nice sound, and people say it's satisfying. And I was wondering, can I recreate these in Avatar World? Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. How could I forget the dumpling squishies? They come in this cute, like, dumpling making box packaging, and usually they're mysteries. You don't know which color you're getting, and inside you get a cute squishy dumpling. They can come in glittery, classic, mystery, maybe not mystery, and yeah, they're just really popular. And I was wondering, let me just get my phone. Can we recreate these in Avatar World? I know Avatar doesn't have squishies, but can we find something so close that it looks like a squishy, and when you join service with your friends, maybe you'll be squishing them in Avatar World? Yeah, so today we're going to recreate all of the trendy viral squishies. Ready, Snowy? And also, by the way, big shout out to our sweet bunny subscribers and friends. Ella, thank you so much for supporting this channel. Snowy and I appreciate so much. Anyways, let's dive in. Okay, so the first item I'm going to get checked down is the butter squishy. I was thinking that we could use the butter in Avatar World, but of course I'll pay for the butter because, it's a shop, grocery market. God, no, we're still in the grocery store. Anyway, this butter, like, it doesn't say butter, and it doesn't have the little words on it that are in blue. But I have a feeling this bar might just work out because, well, of course, it doesn't look like the real butter squishy on my phone, but it's even in packaging, which is really unique to have a butter in that packaging. The only thing I'm worried about is that, if you're pretending to squish an Avatar World, you'll accidentally eat it. But, okay, we're going to use that. I wonder if these banana chips work. No, not those. Okay, I think these is what I'll just get. Let's look around though. There might be some more options. I don't think so. Okay, I need to pay. Slightly look nice. Stay away. Wow, only €1. So cheap. I'll pay with card. I have so many cards. Take some money. Not gonna spend my credit card. Here you go. No, you do not scan the money. You take the money. Never mind. Guys, take your money. I'm taking my butter. Okay, on to the next item. Okay, here we are at the Fresh Market Bakery because I thought the next thing we are taking down is the sugar dumpling squishy, or just dumpling squishy. And I was thinking these breads look like these dumplings. Well, this one's of course moldy, so we're not using that one. It's moldy. why do they even have it on display? Like, don't these look like dumplings to you? And maybe you can even pretend they're scented like this, scented squishies. Except I don't know how you would squish it. You're gonna pretend. Maybe take a bite out of it is squishing it. So these might be good. I just don't know how we'll make that little container. That's gonna be hard. Oh, I like these. These could be the squishies maybe. Wow, cool drinks. Okay. I don't know. I'll take 2 just in case I eat 1, because you know these are food items. I think 2 would be yay. Close my purse, yay. So I think we have the dumpling squishy taken down, but let's just take a little look around. There might be something that will catch my eye of a smooshy squishy. Or I could get a latte. Let's get a latte. I got money. Hello, little lady.
Hello, would you like a Mr. Latte? Like the one on my head, except I air dried it?
I'll just take that fresh made.
No, it's for me. No. I'll make something for you instead.
Can I have a clear latte?
Sure.
You know what? I'll leave.
No.
Okay, here we are at the mall, Avatar Mall, and I was thinking, okay, let's go to this toy section with the cute and nostalgic toys. Oh yay, piano, yay. Sorry. These bouncy ball thingamabobs look like maybe, oh yeah, sorry. We are taking down Nidos next, and I was thinking these, well, they're bouncy balls, but they actually are really fun. Wow, who would throw a squishy on their feet? No idea. But they do look like squishies, so these would be great in some really cute packaging. Maybe we could put them in. Come on, let's put you in my purse. Oh yeah, I need to pay. How much do I owe you, little lady?
5,000.
5 what? I'm giving you for only 3 balls? Here's that.
Really expensive.
How about that?
Fine. I'm rich. Finally, I have enough to buy watermelon.
Oh. Oh, just actually these eggs. They could be squishies or maybe not. Okay.
They're not for sale.
Okay, here. Really cute robot. Ah, so cute. Okay. Okay, I don't think there's anything special here. Let's just check the gadget section. What are the things? Oh yeah, this is really cool. These yo-yos, but it looks like a durian yo-yo or durian or it was some other fruit, whatever. This is really cool. This is great for a fidget.
Oh, actually,
Yeah?
that's a shaving cream needle that you can like swing around. Okay. Cause it has a squishy texture. As I was saying, it's a fake needle.
Okay.
Cause I'm a fake breaker.
People are so weird, okay. Okay, well, not buying that, because not gonna waste my monies. Oh, is there anything cool here? These give me needle vibes. Can I click? Yeah. Oh wow, that looks cool. Let's print it. Are they for free?
No.
Of course, nothing's for free. Okay, these cloud, nah, not giving me squishy vibes. Give me like a dusty plushy vibe. Yeah, I think this looks like a plushie. Okay, plushie. Oh, I mean squishy. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
How much for this?
1,092.
What?
Give me all your money.
No.
I want your money. Give me
Here.
a cheetah card.
Let me just scan it. There we. It's only €2. No, €4. I scanned again.
Go.
It's only €2.
Stop.
I'm paying.
Okay.
It's so weird for just a little plushie. Wait, should I buy the durian as well?
Go.
Okay, fine. But I want the durian.
Go. Go! Go, 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 go.
Bye.
It's for me. It's for me. Go.
Okay. No, I'm gonna take it.
Go. Go, go.
Swipe right here on paying quickly. Quickly, gotta pay. Oh, she's terrifying. Okay. Oh. Okay, next location. Okay, next location is this nostalgic yellow roof house. So nostalgic place in Avatar because they have something really interesting. But what's in this box I have? Free coins. Yes. Free flowers. There's like 52 of them. Okay. Well, we are here for a visit. Hey, that's my stuff. Isn't that? That's what's. That was in my bag. Creepy. Okay, I'm just gonna take my stuff back from the bag. It's weird. Okay, this place is scary. What's in this place? Okay, my butter. My butter. I paid so much for butter. Oh, my pennies are in here. Oh, my precious coins. This will take. This video is supposed to be at Squishies, not me collecting all my money because someone decided to magically put it in a box. Put this in a bit. Okay. Okay, what I came for is, it's not a squishy, but a poppet. If you tap it, look. Ah, no, not that word. I don't like it. Even though it's the best way to describe squishies and stuff. Ooh, rainbow. Okay. Come back to me. Oh, come back. What are you guys doing crying in this lonely house? Come to me.
I'm lonesome.
Oh, come back to me. You guys are in the house. What are you doing in this rubbish? Any bunnies in these? No. Next location, we are in this Avatar pharmacy because I just realized this star looks like a sugar squishy. Could be an Arnito section. Then there's these really pretty corals, this lovely treasure chest. I was thinking these corals would be really nice squishies, but I never seen a coral squishy anywhere. But it gives me that glossy, sugary effect, you know? And this is a really cute toy castle in like a kid's room. Little fish feed. So cute. Love it. Taking that with me. Okay. Gonna just wander and you can't see me. I'm invisible. The ladies. Okay. You're so cute. Come to me. I want that pillow from the old granny's chair. Anyway, these lovely hand sanitizers. Also, if you click these, look at these cute hearts. They look like little heart cute things. So cute. I was thinking some of these might look like squishies, but to be honest, they kind of just look like food. Who's coming along here? Oh, hi! Kyle, who for some reason lost all her clothes.
What? Oh, never mind. Pretend I'm invisible. You can use these for going via squishies. Bye. I'm changing.
Well, that was helpful. These do look like some sugar bear squishies. Okay.
Need a sugar bear.
Really good. Okay, this is the kind of gross color. This one. What about this one? I did not see the color. Okay, red, yellow. Click. Okay, I'll take blue.
Bunny.
That looks like a dog. Okay, so we are back at the Happy Quarters. New place I just made for this. This plushie's kind of just for me, but you know. Let's see, the squishy looking, that's me as well. Okay, so, sorry. Poppet succeeded, because Avatar always had a Poppet. Let's see, sorry. Let's see over here. Oh yeah, that's for me. I want to get the stuff we need that looks like smooshy squishies. Let's see. Come on. I can't pick them up. That's for me. My money. 2 bear squishies. To be honest, this looks like stuff I randomly found out. I told I wanted to put it on the table. I hope at least 3 or 2 of them or 1 of them will look like, wow, wait, that actually looks like a squishy. Okay, come on, I can't pick it up. I'm sorry, this is really boring. Just watching me pick coins. I should have got like a shopping bag instead. Okay, sorry. Shopping bag, no. Clean this up. Speed mode cleaning. No, can't pick this up. Hey, come on, little penny. Okay, sorry. Okay, so let's see. So we got dumplings, which is basically 2 buns. I'm going to get a case for these. But I say they look like dumpling squishies. Now, this plant doesn't really look like a squishy that much anymore, so I'm just gonna kick it out. Kick out plant. You go next to the kick out plant. Okay, so the butter squishy. I don't open it because I'm scared to waste actual butter since you can't really order it. But anyways, let's talk about the dumplings. I want to get a case for them. Do we have any like looking like a good case? Here are our options. Wait, sorry. Let's see. This box looks perfect because it looks like something you'd put like snacks or toys in, but it's not the dumpling worthy. This is really nice, but of course not dumpling worthy that much. The apartment. I'm looking. No. This looks nice, but it looks like for laundry. No, I'm not seeing anything squishy worthy. Okay. Anyway, let's test out with our dumplings. Okay, these look like without the lid, it looks really good. Like they look like dumpling squishies. Even I like the hug emotions because it looks like the trend of squishies. You love them so much, so you would definitely use these emotions. This one looks like real baked bread, to be honest, and they have no emotions. This box, so I think this will be our Avatar dumpling squishies for now, unless Avatar actually makes dumpling squishies, which I really hope so. So, yes section. Pop-it, of course, is a yes. These, I think, really look like a Nido squishy, so I say these are a yes. Okay, so the bears, not really, because I just don't like the colors and they look really small and edible. So I'm just gonna put them in here. I'm not a fan of that. Sorry, Kyle. This butter squishy. I'm sorry, but I had to open it. The only thing I'm worried about this is people eating it. And at least it will smell like butter or fake bread when you use the sniff emotion, you know. But yeah, it's edible berry. And to be honest, you can't even squish it. There's no squishing emotions. Maybe waving looks like squishing. Maybe. More looks like waving. Yeah. Next is star. I think it's a yes because, I don't know, the shiny effect and the color gives me big squishy vibes. And it's really cute. The face is lovely too, so yes vibes. Okay, so that's all for our squishy haul in Avatar World. Trying to make squishies in Avatar World at least. What was my favorite thing out of all of these? Let me just put this away, you. I like the dumplings. They look like real dumplings. And the star and Pop-It were my 3 absolute faves. This looks like a block of bar, and to be honest, these look like bouncy balls, but it gives me Nido vibes. Like, it's great for Avatar World family role plays for using these, because they look good. And these look good too. anyway, so that's it for today. I hope I'll see you next time. Slime!